Another bike check. A lot of people have been asking me what some parts are, so this is like to answer their questions. So like one of the questions is the bars, like what size they are because they look small, and I've been noticing they do look small now. But they used to be like 29 inches, and now they're 25 and a half wide. They're 8.5 high, like going up. I don't know if that's right. I'm getting confused with that. Uh, ODI long neck grips. Just got the brand new pair like a month ago. Snaffle stubby bar ends. These are one of the best bar ends I ever had. I had them for like a year and they're still good. Eastern choker 3 stem. I might get a new one, like the animal, because everybody keeps saying Eastern sucks, Eastern sucks. So like whatever, I hate taking crap like that. And the the fork is stock. I painted it myself. Didn't come out that bad. Uh, Stolen headset. The wheels is a stolen roulette hub, a shadow hub guard, a shadow little one peg. Oh, valve caps front and back, and animal rim strips front and back also. And the tire is a Shadow Conspiracy belter. Now moving on is the frame. The frame is a Mongoose Legion. Everybody keeps asking me what frame it is, so now you know. And like I sort of want to get rid of it because everybody keeps going Mongoose sucks. The bike is pretty good, like the frame is pretty good, but like everybody just keeps taking crap to it. I don't know, so I gotta get a new one like the We the People Scorpio. I might get that one. Or I might copy Marcus and get his like frame. I forgot what the hell it's called, but I was thinking about getting that one also. Let's see. Shadow Conspiracy Scream Sprocket with stock cranks. I painted those also. Eastern Unsealed, I think. And I used to have the stolen, what's it called, Thermalites, but the pins got worn down, and these are getting worn down also from grinding too much. The chain, the chain is a KMC, which I had to put on because I broke my mechanic half track like a lot of times, and it's a pain in the ass getting kneed like by the stem, and most people know what that feels like, so not even gonna describe it. Stock bottom bracket. The seat is a snaffle. I had to change it because like the animal I used to have, the animal stitch, like the whole back part, like in the bottom, it cracked. So every time I sat down, it went like that. So I took it off, and like that's just trash. And stock, what's it called? Seat post. Shadow Conspiracy Alpha Light seat clamp. The C clamp isn't backwards, just for those people that keep saying it's because the little, like the little thing where it gets tightened, it's right here in the front. Right, that it's not in the back. That's why everybody keeps getting confused. Oh, I forgot to say the sprocket is 25 teeth, and the back is the back driver is 11. I sort of got used to it now, so I don't know. I don't think I'm gonna change it. If I do, of course, it's gonna be a 9 tooth. And the back, the tire is an Animal ASM 1.95 with another stolen roulette hub. I mean, stolen roulette rim with a Odyssey Hazard hub, Hazard light or something like that. And the other We the People peg, rim strip, bullet valve cap. And another question I get asked is how much it weighs. It weighs somewhere between 24 and 26 can't give you the exact weight. And another question is where did I get those stickers, the monster stickers? I got them custom at a special store like around here in Miami. So I got like the front one, both monsters on both sides, and that stolen like sticker and I got them for like $10, all of them. And yeah, I think that's it. So comment, subscribe, and thanks. Hope you like the bike, cause I do. It looks raw.